In this video, we will show you how to replace your center console latch on this Honda Civic. This will be located directly underneath your center console. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get started on our job. We'll make our way underneath this area, grab onto that handle, and pull on it to release it. Yours may be broken. On this, you'll find that you have two T15 Torx screws to remove this panel. Let's remove each of those two screws. These are very small. Be careful not to lose them. Now that we have that separated, we'll continue on with popping this area free. You can use a small screwdriver or a pick and just gently get underneath this area. We'll lift up on that handle, and now we can slide this up and out of place. We'll give it a quick inspection, and we can set this aside. Now with that out of the way, we have a clear view of the entire handle area. You'll find in this area there's spring. This is supposed to be under spring retention. Now going straight through this area and the spring, there's a pin that's going to come out through the driver's side. We're going to have to pull this out of place. This can be a little bit difficult, but if you use a small screwdriver or a pick, you can press on that spring, try to grip onto it, and just gently start pressing it out. Once you've done that, it should want to release, and we can pull this out of place. Now we'll remove the pin and the spring. This can push from one side or the other. Just pull it right on through. Remove that spring. You'll find that the ear comes through this area here. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new handle. We'll insert that spring. We had the tab that protrudes outward. We'll make sure that slides through the corresponding hole in the ear. Now we can align this. At this point, we'll be continuing on with our pin. Just go ahead and slide that right on through the center hole here. Now we can take this and put it in position in the car. We'll take this and we'll slide the rod through the driver's side area of the hole. Now we can swing this in, align it with this area of the hole, and now we'll press that pin all the way to the locked position. You can either use your finger for this or just a flat blade screwdriver. Now we can lift up on this, double check to make sure that it does have spring retention as it should, and we can put on the lower panel. Looking at the lower aspect of this panel, you can tell you have two little tabs that protrude out. Looking at the center console cover, you have this area here for each of those to slide into and then slide down. Slide it in, give it a little wiggle along the bottom to make sure that it is secured in place properly, and then continue on with your two T15 Torx screws. All right, let's test its functionality. Double check to make sure it is latched into place. Now I'll reach underneath, grab onto that, and make sure that it unlatches. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.